Hey, hello guys, I am Mii and today we gonna unbox this mouse, the Razer Deathadder V2 Mini. But I want to say guys, thank you for all the subscriptions to my channel. We hit 400! Woo! I'm very happy for everyone, each of them. You make me very happy. Why I do this channel? Of course, in the past I already bought a lot of gaming mouse in the past just for the fun and the lols. I have now around 40 gaming mouse, 40. But I sold many before. I have an old screenshot on Discord and there you can see my old collection. Now we're gonna go for the Razer Deathadder V2 Mini. I have a Razer Deathadder Elite. I do not own the Razer Deathadder V2. I do not own it. Why not? Because this Elite mouse is good enough for me. The V2 has some improvements, but for me it isn't a great improvement to buy. I don't buy all mice. I don't have the money to buy everything, but I just buy what I want to buy and do not follow any trends. But of course, this is a trend I really enjoy to look to, the Deathadder V2 Mini. I don't know why it's called V2, because there's never been a Deathadder Mini. So yeah, we're gonna cut this box. Soon we're gonna do a review though, but I not do a review the first day I got mice or mouses. So, let's see. Okay, we open the box. On the box it has the width and all the kind of width. If you want to know it, I can show you a little bit the width, and otherwise I will send it you on the video. I quickly see on what's on the box because it's important, because it has Razer optical mouse switch. Low weight of 62 grams and an 8500 optical sensor, that's nice. Speed flex cable is nice, onboard memory is nice, and some RGB chroma, pretty nice. So yeah, we do get a sticker, very nice. You can put it anywhere on your case or something. I don't know where do you want to put the sticker on. A manual, Synapse 3.0. I like Synapse 3.0. Because the onboard hybrid combination is the best, even better than the Logitech G Hub in my opinion. And where is everything what we want? I see actually something what I miss. I ordered this one from AliExpress, and if you put it on the Razer Synapse software, it will connect and it will register the product. But there's only missing some grips. There should be grips in the box, but okay, no grips for us. But I don't think I will use grips because the product should be good without grips, in my opinion. It's not gold-plated USB. It's just silver, or how do you, platinum USB with a green inside. Pretty nice. Let's untie this cable. Is it flexible, this cable? Let's see, is it flexible? More flexible than the Razer Deathadder Elite though, but it could be a little bit more flexible, but you know, you get that only with more expensive Razer mice. And now the first time I put it in my hands, and it's lighter or tinier. Woohoo! I think I will like this actually. So on the bottom you have PTFE mouse feet. I believe it's 100% PTFE, but I will say it in the review to make it more clear for you guys. Little comparison, of course I will compare it a little bit later in this video as well, but side by side it's way smaller form factor in length-wise, width-wise, and height-wise, I believe. But still the same ergonomics. Does it feel cheaper? Maybe a little bit feels more cheaper, but the switches, let me see, are godlike. They are godlike, guys. I like the switch. One button on the top, pretty nice. I don't believe you can see it. One button on the top, two side buttons. Clicky. I hope they are also optical. I'm not completely sure, guys. PTFE underneath, onboard memory, and RGB. So let's plug it in. Oh, first we do a little bit side by side of the two mice comparison between the Deathadder V2 Mini and the Deathadder Elite right now. video you guys have seen the side by side comparison. Now it's a little bit to show you the lights as well. It has RGB only on this logo. It has no underneath light like in the Razer Viper Mini, but I think it's not needed in my opinion. It's just a light. And lights are cool though. I wasn't a fan of RGB lights in the past, but I'm more grow towards RGB because it just makes it a little bit more fancy. You can customize the color, match it for example with your own lights inside your house, or match it with RGB lights behind you. You can try to match it. Pretty cool. How is this button, the DPI button, is it clicky? Oh, pretty decent click for an DPI button. Side buttons, we already pre-clicked it. Also good. The main buttons, pretty good in my opinion. It's so small and tiny, guys. It's so amazing. It's basically it. How is the scroll wheel? With a good middle click, and a nice scroll wheel in my opinion. Pretty good. So guys, it's just a little unboxing. I still gonna make a review of the product, and maybe some months after the product when used, I will make another information for you guys if it malfunction or anything. But the Razer Viper Mini, what I still use, not as my daily mouse, guys. My daily mouse is a Logitech G502 Hero, and I have multiple Model O's, Rocket mice, Corsair mice, Cooler mice. I have Razer mice, of course, Logitech. I have from multiple brands. I have gaming mice, and yeah, this one is pretty good in my opinion. So we will see a video of it in the future. So guys, thanks for watching. Still very happy for my 400 subscribers. And yeah, guys, have a great day. Yes. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye. Hold on.